Hello, my name is Shrikar. I'm from ITC section and we have belongs to the C5 batch. And our mini project is about visionary voice reader using machine learning. And we are team up into three members. Myself Shrikar and my friends are Shiva and Sai Kiran under the guidance of Vijayendra Reddy sir. These are the contents of our PPT presentation on visionary voice reader. And let's get started. Our abstract says that the visionary voice reader is aims to develop a novel system that which is visually impairments in accessing written content taken. Using technologies like OCR, NLP, and TTS, we are using Project seeks to create a portable and user-friendly device capable of accurately converting printed text into a audible speech. Our main aim is to using three algorithms for visually impaired people such that they can listen through the speakers but can't see by eyes. These are some literature surveys we are did from the various papers of the various uh, literature members. We have collected this from various platforms and our aim is to build a system that can read text from image and convert it into speech. And the scopes comes to encompasses several key areas aimed at enhancing accessibility, productivity, user experience. User experience and productivity is main of the theme. Comes to the scope. And the existing system states that it's the extra manual system in which it is used by the transcribed as appears on images. Previously, the existing systems was there are only three algorithms are used: OCR, NLP, and TTS. But the three algorithms are never combined and causes to create this project. And due to these switching existing solutions, either OCR or NLP platform, but not seamless to OCR and NLP and TTS. This triad solution and user experience. However, audio output choices are perhaps restricted or require different softwares. Our proposed system was using these three algorithms. We are proposed to change by identifying text from image with OCR technical technology and using NLP algorithm. We are integrating the process and transforming the text into convertible into TTS, which means text to speech technology. And you can see these the existing system and proposed system which state that the existing system and proposed system using NLP and naive based algorithms do accuracy, and you can see this algorithm graph and working of this code in brief. At first we can download and install TerraSact and install PyTerraSact, which is the extended version of TerraSact. Now using some libraries, import the all necessary libraries of PyTerraSact and CV, etc. Reading the image, we use the OpenCV and functions that read the image as NumPy array size. Size of the image using the resize function from OpenCV. It is optional. We open the image using PIL, abbreviated as Python Imaging Library or PILO. This image module is commonly used in working with images in Python. And GTTS, abbreviated as Google Text to Speech Library, it is used to convert the textured images and into the speech and save it to the MP3 file. Feature scopes are it is a multi-language support. We can convertible into various languages of our convenience, and it is used for the mobile developing applications for different conversions of different languages. Customization options also there, like different voices of girl or female of male, or speech rates or other parameters for good experience. This is one of the implementation on offline mode that enables user to perform text extraction and text to speech conversion without required of the internet connection. Comes to the voice command and navigation. Implementation of voice command using free hands control, or like extract text or pause, resume, etc. Customizable reading modes. There are also customizable reading modes which emphasizes the customizable reading modes, summarizations or emphasize on key on points to cater a different user interface and reading systems. Navigation assistant for blind users. This is the main and for purpose of the creation of the project, in which the using surroundings based on images and capture the through their smartphones, and which assist the blind users with navigation by providing spoken through the image. This is a simple flowchart of our proposal system, which is image input and text extraction from the input using OCR, and text pre-processing using NLP for our convertible language, and TTS conversion through the speech out from our device, external devices. The system specifications is exactly the Python is main, and libraries like Skykit or NLTK, PyTDSX 3.0, OpenCV, and Matplotlib. A system with minimum of 8 GB and i3 processor and 256 GB of hardware disk. This is a basic UML diagram description, which we derive the UML diagram using like our algorithms. In here, Visionary Reader is a project, and there are some all technologies we are using here, and there are some functions in which we there is a camera for the future. My major project we use maybe capture imaging of the camera or text input from the external devices, and due to OCR, the extraction of the text, and NLP. NLP is for enhancement of text or conversion of a preferable language, and TTS, it is a synthesized speech. It is a use case diagram in which we derive simply of how we do use the image processing and natural NLP, image to text conversions, etc. And this is the architecture of main our project, in which we take the input of the image and pre-processing of the image. Later we extract the features of the image, and we check from the database in which it matches with the database or not. If it does not matches, if it matches, we will go from the text matches with signals in database, and speech signals from speaker. And the here the match with the database goes from the generator of text, and the text matches with speech signals in database and speech signals with speaker, etc. And these are the two limitations of a project in which a limited language support means it is useful for the contingents on the availability of quality of language models. In while efforts are made super multiple languages, and we have limitations in terms of natural surroundings sounding speech, sensitivity to image quality, which like if the image is low resolution and excessive noise, or the less accurately text extraction, it leads for the image quality sensitivity, and it is optimal image quality is crucial for the reliability function of a project. And these are the reference that we have taken from our Google, or like a Kaggle, or from CS journals and etc. We are taking this as a reference of key points of 5, and thank you.
Dear David, it's been a long time since we saw each other. Do you remember when we met? In September